Hey everyone, I wanted to update you on what happened to my experiment of growing Daphnes. So, if you look at my last video, you'll see that I had a lot more Daphnes that were doing really well. And so this is being recorded at the end of September. Actually, today is October 1st. And this is the only one that did well. This one, I'm not too sure about. So what happens is I ended up transplanting them because they started not doing well and some of them died. And so here's an example of the one that died right here. And I left it in there because I don't know if you noticed, but according to my previous videos, I learned that even though they looked like they were dead, they really weren't. So I don't know what happened. This is something that ended up happening to all my plants this past summer. The leaves in a lot of my plants just turned like really dry, but they're not completely dry. They're not kind of falling off. So I don't know what happened. What I did is I put it in here, and so I'm just waiting to see what happens in the fall and then the winter, and hopefully they will survive and be beautiful, and I'll be able to transplant them next summer. Okay, so let me know in the comments what you think, if you've ever tried this experiment, and any suggestions that that you may have so that it grows and stays alive throughout winter and survive the spring and be planted in the summer. Right now I have it submerged in water. I know that that's not something they like, so I will take it out. They just got watered recently. So let me know in the comments, subscribe. Thanks for watching Gardening Zen.